25th. A, 25th. B, 25th. C, 25th. How will you write 25th? A, 25th. B, 25th. C, 25th. Words up. Our answer is letter A, 25th, 25th. All of them got the correct. Words up. Our answer is letter B. Number 2, 3, and 4 got the correct answer. 2, 4, and 5 John Glenn. Third, Paderes Noriel. Fourth, Gawiran Lance Aiden. Number and fifth, Tabirara Francini. Tabirara Francesca. Question number 2. Write the Roman numeral for 149. Write the Roman numeral for 149. A, CXXXXIX. B, CXXXXVIIII. C, CXLIX. Write the Roman numeral for 149. A, CXXXXIX. B, CXXXXVIIII. C, CXLIX. Words up. The correct answer is letter C. Everybody got the correct answer. Great E, good afternoon. Are you ready? Ready na kayo? Yes, okay. Let's call our first contestant. Palaroan, Santos, Aliyah, Jonathan. Number 2, second, Pamela Jetro. Third, Iti, Louisa May. Fourth, Angeloy, Isaac Lee. And fifth, Villanueva, Edward Carr. Are you nervous? Don't be so nervous. It's so easy. Please enter 41,456,748 to the nearest 10 million. Round off, 214,456,748 to the nearest 10 million. Words up. The correct answer is 210 million. Okay, number 1, 2, and 4 got the correct answer. Oh, they are only 3. Okay, our first contestant, Palaroan Denise Erika. Second, Nacorete Vincent Titus. Third, Pareño Kyle. Fourth, Bautista Jason Maurice. And the fifth one, for Nineta, Chantel, Marie. Round off. 156,895,336,425 to the nearest one. Round off. 156,895,336,425 to the nearest one. Words up. The correct answer is incorrect. 156,895,336,425. Number 2 got the correct answer. Okay. Question number Kiar Henry, Talisayon Joyce Munit, Encinares Romero, Astilia Carry first question. What is the Hindu-Arabic equivalent of the Roman numeral CDXCIX? What is the Hindu-Arabic equivalent of the Roman numeral CDXCIX? Words up. The correct answer is 499. 1, 2, 3 got the correct answer.
Clap your hands naman. Just kahit konti tayo.
Okay. For our grade 6 representatives. First, Reyes Grisha Pauline. Second, Pantin Luis Gabriel. Third, Miss Tuyao Niu. Fourth, Villariza John Emil. And the last, Gonzalez Eliza Marie. For 15 seconds. The question is, in the fraction 6 over 13, what part of fraction is 6? In the fraction 6 over 13, what part of fraction is 6? Words up. The correct answer is numerator. Everybody got the correct answer. From grade 1. Of course, the boy, he is Galicia Kirk Stephen.
Kirk Stephen.
Grade 2.
Forward. Yan.
Gonzalez Nathaniel.
Wow!
Perfect score.
Perfect score. Clap your hands for Nathaniel. That's good.
From grade 3. Santos Alia Jonathan. She got 90 points.
Wow.
Grade 4. Navarrete Vincent Titus. He got 60 points. And from grade 5, Talisayon Joyce Monique. He got 90 from grade 6.
Tananana.